Here is our Android TV box. Let's open and see what's inside. I'll use that small screwdriver because the screws are way too small for a bigger one. Okay, almost done. So it has 4 screws, one on each corner. And now let's open and see. So this is your Android TV box. That's what's inside. That's the motherboard. Okay, let's remove the motherboard. So that is the motherboard of your Android TV box, the mxqpro. And as you can see, there we have our ports, our Ethernet port, the power port as well. That's basically what you see inside. All right, okay, let's put it back. Let's put it back just to see if everything fits perfectly like it used to be. All right, let's see. There you are. So the board is not supported by anything. The motherboard is not supported by anything. It's just placing it, and then you put the back cover. And on the back cover, that's when you put the screws. Okay,